Hey guys, in this video I share how I grew my lashes back after using extensions for an entire year. Yes, extensions look gorgeous when you first get them done, but over time I noticed the gradual decline in the thickness and overall health of my eyelashes. I would often have chunks missing from my lash line and saw that overall they were much thinner and sparse. So after I decided to quit lash extensions, I gave my lashes a detox. On days off, I didn't wear makeup, and every night I applied castor oil to my lashes. Castor oil promotes hair growth, and I actually was able to get rid of a bald spot I had on my scalp by applying castor oil to it every day. You can find castor oil in most pharmacy aisles in your grocery store or drugstores. Just use an old mascara wand to apply it to your lashes every night. I'll also link castor oil on Amazon in my description in case you can't find it in your drugstore. After about 8 weeks, I noticed that my lashes were back to their normal length and thickness. Instead of using extensions now, I now regularly perm my lashes and use a heated eyelash curler. I find that this makes my lashes look a lot longer and fuller, and it doesn't damage my lashes or thin them out like the extensions did. If you want to know more about perming your lashes at home, check out my DIY lash perming tutorial. Thanks for watching!